What did you want?
Close the trunk.
Why did you open the trunk?
Because
Why?
I was getting my stuff.
You were getting a jacket?
Yes.
But it's not cold.
Yes, it is.
It is?
Uh-huh.
You're cold?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, let me go. Close the trunk. I see. What are you doing?
I'm putting my stuff in my backpack.
Oh, okay.
Can you give me my hat?
Where is it?
It's on the chair.
What chair?
That one.
This one?
Yes, that one. Give to me. To my hand.
Where are you gonna take your cap?
Hat.
Your hat. Where are you gonna take it?
To school.
To school.
Yes.
Okay. Tomorrow?
What?
You're gonna take it to school tomorrow?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I love you.
I love you too. Give me my jacket. Now I'm not cold.
You're not cold?
I'm not. Now I'm not.
You're gonna take your jacket to school too?
Yes.
Okay. I love you.
I love you too.
Hey, so today is Sunday night. I am feeling much better than on Friday. I got my voice back. I am still coughing though, but I feel a lot better. Today I was getting some things out from the storage room because I have my baby's old stroller and the swing that was Hassie's, so now I want to get it out so I can use it with the baby. And then after I am done with them, I am gonna get rid of everything. So yeah, I have to wash them. I have to take everything off of them, take what do you call it, all the screws and everything that's on them. So yeah, so that's what I'm going to do tonight. Hopefully I'll have that done by tomorrow. Yeah, that's for the baby. It's for the baby.
I want to get on.
You want to get on the stroller? But you're a big boy.
But I'm a little boy.
You're a little boy? Well, yeah, you are a little boy, but that's for a baby, not for a little boy. Okay?
So you can transform her?
Yeah, I can transform the stroller. Okay, sweetie.
Can you transform, please?
Yeah?
Backpack?
You want me to hold your backpack?
Yes.
Why?
Because can you put it on?
On me?
Yes.
Why?
Because.
But Mommy's busy. Mommy has to finish.
No, you don't.
I don't have to finish? Are you going to finish it for me? You are? Okay. You're transforming the stroller?
How to pick it up?
I don't know. You do it.
I can't.
You're super strong. I don't know, sweetheart. So I'm also picking up some stuff around the ranch because it's going to be high winds tonight. Somewhere around 70 miles an hour. So, as a precaution, you know, just putting some things inside. And I hope the weather doesn't get too bad. So, yeah. So I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye, guys.